welcome back to another episode of Sincerely Legenia. Today I'm going to be making keto tortilla chips. They are so delicious. I got this recipe from sugarfreemom.com. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscription button, leave me a comment, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell right next to it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, if you guys are ready to see how these tortilla chips are made, then stick around because I'm about to show you. To begin making our low-carb tortilla chips, we're first going to need 2 cups of pre-shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to put this in the microwave for approximately 90 seconds. Okay, we have our melted mozzarella cheese, and to this we're going to add 3/4 cup of almond flour. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk powder, a pinch of salt, and we're going to mix that together. All right, to our kneaded dough, we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. And starting here, we're going to knead, so make sure you've got nice, clean hands. And actually, since I have nail polish on, I'm going to use some gloves. Okay, I've got my tortilla chips all cut up here. I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 8 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown around the edges. So if you're going to have a lot of scraps left over after you get through cutting, make sure you cook those scrap pieces. They may not be the perfect triangle, but they are still chips. Okay, just like we eat the crumbs in our chip bags, we're gonna eat these crumbs. Okay, so these are all of the scrap pieces that were left over from the edge of my cutout tortilla chips. And I'm gonna cook up every bit of them, okay? Because I'm gonna eat these too. Okay, and make sure, do the best you can and make sure they're not touching, because they will stick together during the cooking process if they're touching, okay? So we're gonna put our scrap bits, we're gonna also put them in the oven, 350 degrees for 8 minutes. All right, guys, so we've got our tortilla chips right here, and I've already been eating and munching on them all day. They are amazing. Only thing, I wish they were crispier, but they definitely satisfy that craving for chips. They taste like a really great cheese cracker. Go figure. So, easy recipe, absolutely yummy. Will go great with dips and salsas. So, try it today, guys. I hope you get a chance to because it is so yummy. Thank you guys so much for joining me again today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. I love these tortilla chips, and I hope that you guys get an opportunity to make them. Thanks again for joining me. Have a blessed and prosperous week, and I'll talk to you next time right here on Sincerely Legenia.